Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is a 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that after the big action, market is trading in a narrow range. There is not much volume or volatility right now, and this is quite natural also because volatility shifts in the market always move from high volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. So right now we can see that after the extreme volatility, market is low volatile, and it's just quite natural. But yes, we need to be careful today because today is Friday. Yes, today is Friday. So my dear friends, do not fry your account because not only we see some unusual action during the closing hours, but also today we will see CPI. CPI is a major event that can really bring a lot of crazy amount of volatility to the market for the because of the US government shutdown. Many data were not released, but today CPI will be released. I was also skeptical, but I saw this article. You can see dollar calm as traders got for US inflation data. US CPI due to be released on Friday despite government shutdown. So we will see some action, really some cool action. So be careful. So my dear friends, as I said, market always move from high volatility to lower volatility, low volatility and higher volatility. So market was extremely volatile. Then market shifted to low volatility here. Then again market will be volatile today. Which direction market will move? Nobody knows. But yes, if you really want to make money at the time of news, then following the trend of the market is the only solution. If you're a beginner, new trader, and you have a bad experience recently, then try to avoid the market. Just watch the market to gain some experience. And if you really want to trade, then follow the trend. For example, if you see that there is a strong uptrend, then just go with the flow. Or if market drops, then obviously you need to go for a sell, because if you want to catch the reversals at the time of news, that can be really dangerous. People trade at the time of news to make good money, but most of the retail traders lose money at the time of news, and it's a bitter reality. So do not gamble seeing those big candles. And if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker, especially after the Axis incident, my dear friends, Vantage is the next best option for residents of India. Because in India, forex trading is not legal and not regulated. So you need a broker who has multiple regulations outside India, and your hard-earned money is also safe. So you can consider opening your account with Vantage because it's a multi-regulated broker and also a big brand, global brand, with more than 5 million registered users. Not only they have a huge client base, but they also provide that kind of safety as well. If you are trading with a big capital, you get insurance up to $1 million. They are also a member of the financial commission, means you get compensation up to 20,000 euros. So your capital is always safe with Vantage. And they have multiple trading platforms also, MT4, MT5, their own mobile trading platform, their own pro trader platform, which is awesome. If you want to trade directly from TradingView, we love to do our analysis on TradingView. You can also use their pro trader platform as well. So feel free to open your account in Vantage. You'll find a link in the description. If you use our referral link, you also get access to our WhatsApp community as well, where you get the regular market updates, analysis, and many more things. So feel free to join Vantage if you're looking for a safe and reliable broker. Okay, now let's talk about gold. As gold is trading in a narrow range here, so obviously trading opportunities are also limited. So right now we can see that around 4155, 4156 market is facing some resistance. And here at the bottom, around 410807, the previous support is resistance is also providing support to the market. So during the day you can expect a little bit of downside here. I'm not talking about a trend reversal or anything. Before a major event like CPI, market prefers to stay sideways or choppy. So if market drops, right now there is not much volume, So during the European session, if you see a big red candle like this, if you want to go for a sell, you can go for a sell. But personally, due to low volume, okay, I will just avoid any breakout or breakdown. What I will do is, okay, I will wait for 4068, 4069. Okay, around 406870. Okay, let me make it 70. You can look for the next buy opportunity. As volume is low right now, that's why we are not looking for a sell opportunity, because due to low volume, if the breakdown fails, we will be trapped. Okay, for any breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. Okay, so we can look for buy around 406870. Keep in mind, before CPI only, before US session. After US session or after CPI, obviously market will be volatile. If you see a big red candle, okay, follow the trend. That's it. This support is not going to work, because you need to understand that when fundamentals dominate, tacticals do not work. Okay, that's a bitter reality. Okay, so this is the first support, or the only support during the day, where we can look for a buy position in this market. And if market goes up, okay, my dear friends, if you see the market is going up, then obviously you can look for a buy above 4156, 4157. Okay, but right now chances of breakout is less. During the European session, okay, if any opportunity arises, then we can look for a buy at breakout above 415657. But as I always say, my dear friends, consolidation plays an important role. Okay, if you see market has consolidated, then market has gone for a breakout, reliable. But if you see the market has gone for a breakout from 410708, it's better to avoid. And obviously, okay, we can enter a pullback when this same level 415655 will be the new support. But I don't think so again we will get that kind of opportunity before CPI, because whenever a breakout seems risky, okay, it's always safer to buy at pullback when the previous resistance becomes the support. But here, chance of the level becoming support is very less, because the market will be volatile due to CPI. And please do not fry your account. Sadly, there's not much to discuss right now. Okay, and during the day, okay, if market goes up and if market reverses, means after sweeping all the liquidity, okay, if you see the market is coming down again, okay, you can also look for a sell around 4155 as well. So trading opportunities trading opportunities are limited as of now, so respect that. Okay, if you do not find any opportunity, also do not lose your patience, because you are a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye.